Hey friendlies, little daddy and daughter's time at the Parc National des Îles de Boucherville. We've never been here before, like as a family, and I've never been here alone either. So we're just gonna do an easy hike. It's the last day of holidays for a certain someone.
Yep.
So yeah, looking forward to it. I think we're taking the Sentier Grand Duc just because I don't think your sister's gonna be able to handle anything else. Grand Duc is 1.5k. Sentier Petite Rivière is 2.5 clicks. That'll be pretty long for her.
Maybe even one will be a little too long.
Maybe.
She'll be like, Daddy.
Talking about you, kiddo. Talking about you. Do you want that? Okay.
Ooh, don't drop them.
Back for you.
Away, and now away.
Yeah, they're flying away.
Oh, that's really cool.
Good, Daddy.
Okay.
We're gonna go the wrong way if you turn that way. You need to turn that way.
Oh, for the Grand Duc? Those ones. Camille's trying to convince her to come with us.
Daddy!
Okay, so moods have improved thanks to the judicious application of some Pop-Tarts. And we're gonna try to get on this this little hike. Sorry, Camille wants to be sure that I also mention the fact that we also ate some fruit, specifically clementines and a banana. Well, this looks like a challenging hike.
Fleurs, arbustes et animaux. Ces champs sauvages ne sont pas tout à fait naturels. C'est la présence des humains qui les ont façonnés par l'agriculture.
What did you say? Okay. Yeah. You're welcome. Oh, what you found?
You could go like this, but not like this.
Yeah, I wouldn't go like that.
I'll show you why.
Okay, go.
Come closer. Closer. Zoom in.
Zoom in on these?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop moving. There are little hooks right there. So if I go like this,
Don't get your...
the hooks will stay inside. Because it's a hook.
The hell?
Go, come run.
Okay, I'm running. You know, this is, as I said, not a very challenging hike at all, but I mean, with a 2.5-year-old, that's all right. But it's just, after what feels like such a wasted summer, it's nice to get any nature walk time in with the fam, you know? Hmm?
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
I better check this out. Parkour girl is off into the woods.
Daddy, cash.
Yeah, Cash?
With me.
Yep. I'm coming. At least the girls have their energy back. think we're like 2/3 of the way around this little sentier, whatever that is, footpath, hiking trail, this little trail, which is good because it'll mean that when we get back, Clem will have made the whole thing without us having to carry her the whole way. I call that a win. I don't know what the heck they're doing. What's going on over there? Smells nice here. It's too bad that we essentially wasted the whole summer due to the plague, but at least we got some time in, right? Yeah, it smells nice here. And this is like 20 minutes from Montreal. It's in the river between Montreal and the South Shore. It's so easy to get to, and I don't know why I've never been here before. There are some much longer trails, which I'd like to come back and try as well. Nice place. I'm glad to have finally come. Bye. It's a little creek. It's a very little creek.
No.
It's a dry little creek.
No.
Yeah, exactly.
Là.
Yeah, là. On va par là. It's nice to be shooting videos again. I still don't have an editing machine, so I'll have to edit this on my phone, which is a freaking nightmare. Okay. I'm definitely... Horsefly. I'm definitely glad that we could get some hiking and shoot a little video in. I'll probably have to mark this one as made for kids so that YouTube doesn't freak out because I've got 2 children in it. I'm not going to get political and I'm not going to bitch. I'm just glad to be surrounded by some greenery for once and with my kids. Yeah, we're back at the parking, so I guess that's the end of the hike. Short but sweet. No, long but sweet, because, you know, the 2.5-year-old kept stopping and getting tired and needed a snack and blah, 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 but a very small hike. Still, good times. Broke?
Yes.
Oh, because of that.
This is a book.
Yeah, I'm broken. Sorry, kiddo.
Make a book. Make a book.
You too? You're broke too? Yeah, yeah.
Now see the book. Cool. Now.
Okay. I do wish we'd found some sumac, though. Would have been nice to have made some lemonade tea tonight to celebrate having been in the woods. What? What's up? Did you break your sister? Yeah? Okay. Me's got a bobo?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no, is she dead?
Oh, you guys need to go without me. I'll just slow you down. It's the end of my days anyway.
I'll show you later. Where are you? This is cool. Can you see this?
It's a red raspberry plant.
It's a red raspberry plant. That's cool.
No.
Who's beating on me with a pair of binoculars? Sorry about the wind, guys. I just wanted to say about these grasslands. It's funny, when I was growing up, I used to see this kind of desiccated stuff and I used to like, yuck, man. But now that I understand more about how ecologies work and stuff, and how much of Quebec's landscape in certain areas is exactly like this and the role it plays, I've really changed my tune on it. it's hard to really not love the natural world in its various guises. Like, it's hard for me to find a chunk of the natural world that I don't like at this point. Like, I almost never see a bunch of plants and think, how horrible. But when I was growing up, I guess because I saw it as fundamentally Quebecois, and I would spend my summer months in British Columbia, I had this idea that the plants and the landscape of BC was somehow better than what we have here, and I just don't believe that anymore. You know, Quebec is beautiful in a very different way, but it's still beautiful. So, oh wow. They found a water park. We don't have towels! Mine. Camille's. And Clem's. Whew. Hot day. Nice catch. Lunchbox is artistically placed because Clem doesn't want the camera on her.
Also because we're snacking.
And we're okay with that. So yeah, that's all she wrote. Thanks for hanging out with us on this very short little hike. As I always say, if you like what we're doing here, then please do the following 3 things. Number 1, please comment down below. And the question this week is...
Have you ever gone like seeing nature, like on a nature walk, or gone camping in quarantine, COVID?
Right. Hey, did you guys get any bush time during the COVID times? Second thing is I want you to share this video. That helps me more than you could possibly imagine. And third, leave us a smiley thumb. If you don't like what we're doing, leave us a frowny.
Unfortunately, a frown.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye, guys. See you next video. Yay!